What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Wolf King Brewing channel. I figured there was no better time than now to humiliate myself on the internet in front of all of you. And of course, what I mean by that is that we're going to be taking beer and brewing related quizzes, and hopefully I don't do horribly. Now we're doing this live, so just let the chips fall where they may. We're just gonna go ahead and search beer up here and see what we got. Dude, let's do beer logos. I'm pretty confident in my ability to recognize, oh Lord, beer logos. This might go horribly. You guys are gonna hate me for some of these. Oh man, okay, let's do it. I mean, we could do the obvious, right? Budweiser, HEINEKEN. Am I insane? H-I-E? Am I just spelling it wrong? HEINEKEN, HEINEKEN. Okay, I'll just move on. Foster's, Guinness, 2 S's. That's Newcastle? These look so different without the words. Sierra Nevada. That's not Keystone. Is it like an old Keystone logo? No. That's Youngling. It's not? Oh no, is that Anchor? Oh my god, I don't know what that is. Red Stripe. Paulaner? Dude, I don't know what the German lady is. Oh no, don't roast me. Miller. I know the Red Triangle. Oh god. We're getting some in the background here. Oh, what is the Red Triangle? Oh, this is gonna piss me off because I know it. That's Goose Island. We have New Belgium down the ear. I don't know why I said it like that. It's Sam Adams. Some of these are very old logos. Dogfish. Dos Equis. And then Blue Moon. Okay. Oh, well, and obviously Corona. If you spell it right. Jesus, Kariba. Okay. Dude, I really thought that was Youngling. Or Yingling, I always forget how to pronounce it. And that's not Paulaner. And that's not Heineken? Dude. I'm losing my mind over that one. You're telling me that's not Heineken. What is that one? Oh, I know it. The Red Triangle is gonna drive me nuts. It genuinely. That's Stone something? Not Stone Brewing, but Stone Rock something. It's on the tip of my tongue. We've got 17 out of 25. We can do better than this. I don't think I have any idea. Trademark established 1778. I don't think I have any idea what that is. The barrel with yellow U on top of it. I'm gonna give up on this one. And before you roast me in the comments, actually just go ahead and roast me in the comments. I deserve it. How does one give up? Give up. That's Bass, the Red Triangle. I knew that. Landshark Lager I was never gonna get. Beck's, I probably could have sussed out. That's Heineken, but I spelled it wrong 1,000,000 times. Oh my god. Dude, you guys were probably absolutely screaming at your computer that entire time. I feel so bad. Rolling Rock, I mean, it was on the tip of my tongue. What can I say? Boddington's I never would have gotten in a million years. Okay. So next here, we're gonna try the beer or wine countries. Now this is, can you name the beverage, beer or wine, more popular in the given country by liters of alcohol consumed per capita? The answer is probably no, but we're gonna give it a shot. Luxembourg, beer. It's wine. Czechia, beer. France is wine. Italy's wine. Ireland is beer. Russia is wine? It's beer. United States is beer. Portugal, wine. Austria, let's go beer. Canada, I would think would be beer as well. Greece is wine? Greece is wine. South Korea, beer. Australia, I'm gonna go beer. The UK would be beer. Croatia, let's say wine. Spain, wine, it's beer, oh my God. Denmark, let's say beer. Hungary, it's wine. Sweden, dude, I'm gonna say beer. It's wine. Moldova is definitely wine. I was just gonna say, I'm for sure getting the last one wrong. We got 14 out of 20, 70%. Looking at some of these, man, I mean, in Czechia, they consume incredible amounts of beer compared to other countries. I mean, here in the United States, we're 4.47, liters of alcohol consumed per capita. I mean, is it like per year? 4 liters? That's gotta be, that can't be a year, right? I drink way more than that. Okay, we're gonna try the beers of the world, which is guess the country that these beers hail from. Foster's, Australia. Australia spelled correctly. Molson, Canada. Castle, UK. This could be totally wrong. Go to the next one. That's Thailand. Baltica. Your guess is as good as mine, brother. Stella is Belgium. Coors is going to be the United States. Kirin is Japan, I think. Yep. Beer Lao, that's going to be Laos, maybe. Little context clue for you there. Tsingtao, that's China. Dos Equis would be Mexico. Mexico? Dude, this is like a typing... This is more of a typing issue for me than a beer knowledge issue. Red Stripe, is that also Canada? No. Australia? Where's Red Stripe from? My cat is purring like crazy on my lap right now. Carlsberg. Russia. Grolsch? I know this one. No. I'm gonna get roasted for this one. Is it the Netherlands? It is, okay. I second guessed myself for a second because I knew I had to know that one. Hacker score, your guess is as good as mine. Tui, I'm gonna guess China again. It's not. I don't even know what that is. Boddington's, the UK. Peroni's gonna be Italy. Cass, is that also in the UK? I don't know what Cass is either. Guinness is gonna be Ireland. Tusker, Canada. Pilsner Urquell, is that Czechia? San Miguel, Spain? Portugal? At this point, we're just guessing. And then Brahma, I know Brahma. Where's that from? Like, I feel like I know it. You know what? 14 out of 24. It's good enough for me, brother. We're giving up. Mostly just because I'm curious. Brahma's from Brazil. I did genuinely know that. I did know that. I don't know why I knew that. Red Stripe is Jamaica, dude. Come on. Baltica's Russia, and then Castle is South Africa. Interesting. Okay. So that's going to be it for this video. I intend to record a few of these tonight, so you're going to see a few more doing beer quizzes on the internet type videos. Let me know if you enjoyed these. If you want to see more of them, if you didn't enjoy it, also let me know. Test your knowledge as well. Go on to Sporcle.com and play these same quizzes along with me and see what kind of scores you get. Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video.